Hello students, in today class we read the factor affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Factor affecting the rate of a chemical reaction. Total 6 factors are affect the rate of a chemical reaction according to RBSc book. First, concentration of reactant molecule. Second, nature of reactant and product molecule. Third, effect of a temperature. Fourth, effect of a catalyst. Fifth, effect of surface area of a molecule. And sixth, effect of a radiation. Means total 6 factors are affected the rate of a chemical reaction. ठीक है, टोटल 6 फैक्टर्स आर इफेक्टेड द रेट ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट फैक्टर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए रिएक्टेंट. कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट किस टाइप से रेट को इफेक्ट कर रही है, तो मींस अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन. अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन, अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन, रेट ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, rate of a reaction proportional to concentration of a reactant. According to law of mass action, rate of reaction proportional to concentration of a reactant. If rate of reaction increase, concentration of reactant increase, rate of reaction also increase. If concentration of reactant increase, if concentration of reactant increase, then rate of reaction also increase. If a concentration of reactant increase, rate of reaction also increase. If a concentration of reactant decrease, rate of reaction also decrease. Now concentration of reactant, first factor, concentration of reactant are affect the rate of a chemical reactions. According to law of mass action, rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of a reactant. If we increase the concentration of reactant, rate of reaction also increase. If we decrease the concentration of reactant, rate of reaction also decrease. Now we explain the second factor, nature of reactant and product of a molecule. Nature of a reactant and a product molecule. reactant molecule और product molecule है वो किस टाइप से rate of reaction को क्या करें, इफेक्ट करें. in a chemical reaction, during the reaction some old bonds are cleavage and new bonds are formed. In a chemical reaction या in a during a chemical reactions some old bonds are cleavage and new bonds are formed in a reactant and a molecule. Such type of reaction we explain by a example, twice NO plus O2, twice NO plus O2, twice NO2, twice NO plus O2, twice NO2. The rate of a chemical reaction is fast. The rate of this chemical reaction is fast because these reactions are complete at 2000 Kelvin temperature. Because these reactions are complete at 2000 Kelvin temperature, means in these reactions reactant are ionic. In this reaction reactant are ionic and reaction are complete at high temperature. So the rate of this reaction is a fast. We explain the factor nature of reactant and molecule by second examples. Twice CO plus O2 are converted into twice CO2. This the rate of this reaction is slow. The rate of this reaction is slow. In this reaction, reactant molecule twice CO and O2 are covalent molecule. Are covalent, and this reaction is covalent reaction, and this reaction is a ionic reaction because these reactions are complete at high temperature 2000 Kelvin temperature, and these reactions are complete at a low temperature. So the rate of this reaction is fast and rate of this reactions is slow. So nature of reactant molecules also affect the rate of a chemical reaction. Third, effect of temperature. Temperature are also affect a chemical rate of a chemical reaction. If we increase the temperature of a chemical reaction, then collisions are increased. Then collisions are increased between reactant molecules. If we increase the temperature of a chemical reactions, then collisions are increased between reactant molecules, so rate of reactions also increase. तो means if we increase the temperature, rate of reaction increase, rate of reaction increase. If we increase the temperature, rate of reaction increase, and each at 10 degree centigrade. If at each 10 degree centigrade temperature increase, rate of reaction increase 2 to 3 times. At each 10 degree centigrade temperature increase, at each 10 degree centigrade temperature increase, rate of reaction increase. Rate of reaction increase 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times means effect of temperature. Effect of a temperature. If a temperature of a chemical reactions increase, then collision among between reactant molecules increase, so kinetic energy of reactant molecule also increase and rate of chemical reaction increase. If we increase each 10 degree centigrade temperature, if each 10 degree centigrade temperature increase, rate of reaction increase 2 to 3 times of a chemical reaction. Fourth factor, effect of catalyst. Catalyst also affect the rate of a chemical reaction by indirectly. If we increase the, if we take a catalyst, if we take a catalyst in a chemical reactions, if we take a catalyst in a chemical reaction, the activation energy, if we take a catalyst in a chemical reaction, the activation energy of reactant molecule decrease, then rate of a chemical reaction increase. So means catalyst decrease the activation energy. Catalyst decrease the activation energy of molecule and rate of reactions increase, means rate of reaction inverse proportional to the activation energy. Okay, if rate of reaction inverse proportional to the activation energy, if we take a catalyst in a chemical reaction, the activation energy decrease. So rate of reactions is a increase. If we take a catalyst in a chemical reactions, the activation energy decrease, so rate of a chemical reactions increase. It we explain it by a examples या by a chemical reactions. H2 plus I2 are convert into twice HI. ठीक है, सेकेंड रिएक्शन H2 plus I2 are convert into twice HI. In this reaction, no catalyst is present. No catalyst is present, and in this reaction, take a catalyst oral. ठीक है, H2 plus I2 are complete into twice HI. ठीक है, this reactions complete, ठीक है, in the presence of catalyst, and this reaction complete, ठीक है, not in the presence of a catalyst. So the rate of a reactions in both reactions, in which reactions rate of catalyst is high, तो means in this reaction rate of catalyst is fast, and in this reaction rate of reaction is slow, because in this reactions are complete in the presence of oral catalyst, and this reactions in this reaction no anyone catalyst present, so rate of this chemical reactions is slow and rate of this chemical reactions is fast. Next factor, effect of surface area of molecule. Effect of surface area of a molecule. Surface area of a reactant molecule is also affect the rate of a chemical reactions. Rate of a chemical, if the surface area of a reactant is more, if a surface area of a reactant is more, then rate of a chemical reactions is more. So means rate of a reaction is proportional to surface area of a molecule. Rate of a chemical reaction is proportional to the surface area of a molecule. Surface area of a molecule, it is explained by examples. Means we explain effect of surface area of molecule by this example. It is a चौक, ठीक है। अगर ये चौक है, इस कंडीशन में ये जो चौक है वो किस कंडीशन में, इस कंडीशन में ये चौक सॉलिड कंडीशन में, ठीक है। किस कंडीशन में? सॉलिड कंडीशन में। मींस इसका सरफेस एरिया, यही इसका सरफेस एरिया, ये चारों हैं, इसका क्या है? सरफेस एरिया। मींस इस चौक के अंदर के मॉलिक्यूल है वो इसके सरफेस के ऊपर नहीं है, ठीक है। तो मींस अगर कोई अदर मॉलिक्यूल इससे रिएक्ट करेगा तो वो केवल इसकी सरफेस पे ही करेगा। कहां करेगा? इसकी सरफेस पे। अगर इसी चौक को हम क्या कर दें? पाउडर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दें। किसमें कन्वर्ट कर दें? पाउडर फॉर्म में। तो पाउडर फॉर्म में तो इस चौक का जो सरफेस एरिया, वो सरफेस एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, और सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज होते ही रेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस आल्सो इंक्रीज। मींस पाउडर सॉलिड and a crystalline solid. Powder solid and a crystalline solid. Powder solid have more rate of reactions. Okay, in powder solid and a crystalline solid, powder solid have more rate of reaction, because in powder solid surface area of molecule is more compared to crystalline solid. Next है effect of radiations. Radiations also affect the rate of a chemical reactions. Such type of chemical reactions which complete in the presence of a UV light, or a radiation, the rate of chemical reactions is high, and such type of chemical reaction which not complete in the presence of a ultraviolet light, the rate of reaction is slow. It is explained by a chemical reactions H2 plus Cl2, ठीक है, are complete and formed twice HCl and H2 plus, second example, H2 plus Cl2 are complete in the presence of light, ठीक है, are complete presence of a light and formed twice HCl. In this reaction no light present, and these reactions are complete in the presence of light, means ultraviolet light radiations. So rate of these reactions is fast and rate of these reactions is slow. So means that reactions which complete in the presence of light, ठीक है, that reactions which complete in the presence of a light have more rate of a reactions compared to such type of chemical reactions which in which not light या UV light is present. Means light के presence में जो chemical reactions complete होगी उनका rate of reactions क्या होगा? more होगा, और जो light की absence में होगी उनका जो rate of reactions है वो rate of reactions क्या होगा? कम होगा। तो means 6 factors are effect, 6 total 6 factors are affect the rate of a chemical reactions. Concentration of reactant according to law of mass action, rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of a reactant. If we increase the concentration of reactant, rate of reactions also increase. If we decrease the concentration of reactant, rate of reactions also decrease. Next point, nature of reactant and product molecules. Nature of reactant and product. Nature of reactant and product molecule also affect the rate of a chemical reactions because during the reactions some chemicals bonds are cleavage and some chemicals bonds are formed in a reactant and a molecule. So nature of reactant and product is also affect the rate of reactions. It is explained by two examples. ठीक है, इन फर्स्ट एग्जांपल से ट्वाइस NO प्लस O2, ट्वाइस NO और O2 आर रिएक्ट, ठीक है, एंड फॉर्म्ड twice NO2 in the presence of 2000 Kelvin temperature, and in second reactions twice CO plus O2 are converted into twice CO2. So means in above reaction the rate of reaction is fast, and in this reaction the rate of reaction is slow. Means covalent reaction have slow rate of reaction and ionic reactions have fast rate of reaction. Third effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. Temperature is also affect the rate of reactions. Temperature is also affect the rate of reactions. We increase the temperature. If we increase the temperature, rate of reactions also increase, because if we increase the temperature, collision among, ठीक है, between molecule, reactant molecule increase, so rate of kinetic energy increase, and kinetic energy increase, rate of reactions also increase. If each 10 degree centigrade temperature increase, if each 10 degree centigrade increase of molecule, rate of reactions increase 2 to 3 times. Rate of reactions increase 2 to 3 times. Effect of catalyst. Okay, effect of catalyst. Effect of catalyst. Catalyst is not affect directly the rate of reaction, it affect indirectly rate of reactions. Rate of reactions is inverse proportional to the activation energy. Activation. Rate of reactions is indirectly proportional to the activation energy. If catalysts are present in a chemical reaction, तो catalyst decrease the activation energy of molecule. ठीक है, catalyst decrease the activation of molecule. If activation energy of molecule decrease, then the rate of reaction increase. If this point are explained by two example. In this reaction no catalyst present, and in this reaction boron catalyst are present. So these reactions have more and fast rate of reaction, and this reaction have slow rate of reactions. 5 factor. Effect of surface area of molecule. Surface area of molecule also affect the rate of chemical reactions. Rate of reactions is proportional to the surface area of a molecule. If the surface area of molecule is more, rate of reaction is more. If a powder solid and a crystalline solid, so powder solid have more rate of reaction compared to crystalline solid, because powder solid have more surface area compared to crystalline solid. 6 factor. Effect of radiation. Effect of radiation. Radiation is also affect the rate of reactions. Rate of reactions means if reactions are complete, if such type of reactions which complete in the presence of light, such type of reactions which complete in the presence of light have more rate of reactions, and such type of chemical reactions, in which light is not present and present in मतलब complete in the presence of darkness have slow rate of reaction. Means such type of chemical reactions which complete in the presence of ultraviolet light, In the presence of a ultraviolet light have more rate of reactions, compared to such type of chemical reactions which complete in the darkness, means 6 factors are affect the rate of chemical reactions. Now we read the next topic. Second topic, molecularity of reactions. Molecularity of reactions. What is molecularity? Molecularity of reactions. What is a molecularity? What is a molecularity? The number of moles or species. The number of moles or species which take part in a elementary chemical reactions. The number of moles or species which take part in a elementary chemical reactions is called molecularity of reactions. The number of moles or molecules or ions. The number of moles or molecules or ions which take part in a elementary chemical reactions is called molecularity of reactions. Is called molecularity of a chemical reactions. Is called molecularity a chemical reaction. The number of moles or molecule or ions which take part in a elementary chemical reactions is called molecularity of a reaction. Molecularity of a reaction is a theoretical value. Molecularity of a reactions is a theoretical value. It is a theoretical value. It is a theoretical value. It is a theoretical. Molecularity of reactions is a theoretical value. Molecularity of reactions is only a natural number, not a fractional number. It is a only natural number. Like 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, molecularity of a reaction is only a natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not a fractional number like 1/2, 3/2, 1/4, 5/2. It's only a natural number. It's only a natural. Molecularity of a reaction cannot be 0. ठीक है, molecularity of reactions cannot be 0. Molecularity of a chemical reaction is cannot be 0. Means किसी भी रिएक्शन से उसकी मोलिकुलरिटी है वो कभी भी 0 नहीं होती. Molecularity of a reactions is explained by examples such like first reactions NH4 NO2 ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. If ammonium nitrate are heat, then N2 plus H2O is formed. N2 plus H2O is formed. NH4 NO2 ammonium nitrate ammonium nitrate. If we heat the ammonium nitrate, then N2 gas and H2 molecule is formed. In this reaction, only one reactant molecule take part in a chemical reaction. In these reactions, only one molecule and one mole से take part in a reaction. So molecularity of reactions, molecularity of this reactions is a 1. So in this reaction, only one reactant molecules take part in a chemical reaction. So molecularity of this reactions is a 1. Next example, if we H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, H2O2 is called a hydrogen peroxide. If a hydrogen peroxide is open in the presence of light, if H2O2 is open, H2O2 is react in the presence of a light, then it is formed H2O plus 1 by 2 O2. H2O plus 1 by 2 O2. In this reaction, only one mole and one molecule H2O2 take part in a chemical reaction. So molecularity of reaction. So molecularity of reaction is only 1. Molecularity of reaction is only 1. Third example, twice Hi. If twice Hi, hydrogen iodide, if twice Hi are heated, okay, if twice Hi are heated, then H2 plus I2 is formed. In this reaction, 2 mole. In this reaction, 2 mole Hi take part in a reaction. So molecularity of reactions, molecularity of reactions is a 2. Molecularity of reaction is a 2. In this reaction, 2 mole. In this reaction, 2 mole Hi is take part in a reaction. So molecularity of reaction is a 2. It is explained by 4 example. Twice FeCl3, twice FeCl3 plus SnCl2. Twice FeCl3 react with SnCl2 and formed twice FeCl2 plus SnCl4. Okay, twice FeCl3 react with SnCl4. Okay, ferric chloride is a react with tin chloride and form FeCl2 plus SnCl. In this reaction, 3 molecule take part in a chemical reactions. In this molecule, total 3 molecule take part in a chemical reaction. 2 molecule FeCl3 and 1 molecule SnCl. In this chemical reactions, 3 molecule reactant molecule take part in a chemical reaction. Twice FeCl3 molecule, twice FeCl3 molecule, and 1 SnCl4 molecule, and 1 SnCl4 molecule. So molecularity. So molecularity of reaction is a 3. So molecularity of reaction is a 3. So it is a molecularity. Now again we explain the molecularity of reaction. What is molecularity of reactions? What is molecularity and what is molecularity of reactions? The number of moles. The number of moles of a or molecule or ions which take part in a chemical reaction. The number of moles or molecules or ions which take part in elementary chemical reactions is called molecularity of reactions. Molecularity of reactions is a theoretical value. It is a theoretical value. Molecularity of reactions is a theoretical value. It is a only natural number. Molecularity of a reaction is a only natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4 means not a fractional number. Molecularity of reaction cannot a fractional number. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 means it is only a natural number. Molecularity of reaction cannot be 0. कभी भी रिएक्शन की मोलिकुलरिटी 0 नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा. अगर रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल 0 है तो रिएक्शंस है वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. ठीक है. मोलिकुलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शंस इज एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय 4 एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है. अमोनियम नाइट्राइड, इफ ए अमोनियम नाइट्राइड इज हीटेड then N2 and twice H2 is formed. In this reaction only one ammonium nitride molecule take part in a reaction. So molecularity of reactions is 1. So molecularity of reaction is 1. In this reaction, one hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is called hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 is called a hydrogen peroxide. So 1 mole hydrogen peroxide is take part in a chemical reaction. So molecularity of a reaction is 1. Next, twice HI. Twice HI. If a twice HI hydrogen iodide are heated, then H2 and I2 is formed. In this reaction, 2 HI molecule take part in a chemical reaction. In this reaction, 2 HI molecule take part in a chemical reaction. So molecularity of a chemical reaction is 2. Molecularity of a chemical reaction is 2. In this reaction, twice FeCl3 plus Sn, twice FeCl3 molecule and 1 SnCl4 means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Total 3 molecule take part in a chemical reaction. So molecularity of a chemical reaction is 3. Molecularity of a chemical reaction 3. ये मोलिकुलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शंस है. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, मतलब ऑल स्टूडेंट्स एक्सप्लेन इजीली, ठीक है, बाय मोलिकुलरिटी एंड लिस्टिंग इजीली मोलिकुलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन. आसानी से ये टॉपिक आप समझ गए होंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखते हैं, ऑर्डर ऑफ ए रिएक्शंस. Next, order of reactions. Order of a reaction. What is order of reaction? What is a order of a reaction? To means the sum of power of concentration terms. Concentration terms of reactant. Concentration terms of a reactant molecule is called order of a chemical reactions. Order of a reactions. The sum of power of concentration terms of a reactant molecule. The sum of power of concentration terms of a reactant molecule is called a order of reaction. Is called order of a chemical reactions. It is explained by a examples. X A plus YB. X A plus YB are converted into product. X A plus YB are converted into product. Means according to law of mass action, rate of a reaction is proportional to the, according to law of a mass action, rate of a chemical reaction is proportional to the concentration terms dx upon dt. Means dc upon dt proportional to a की power x and b की power y. dc upon dt proportional to a की power x and b की power y. Means a concentration, a is concentration and b concentration. A concentration power x and b concentration power y means a power, sum of power of concentration terms means x plus y. X plus y equal to order of reaction. Equal to order of a reaction means जो कंसंट्रेशन है उस कंसंट्रेशन की पावर का जो सम है उसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ऑर्डर ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन, ए की पावर x एंड b की पावर y. तो x plus y equal to order of a chemical reaction. It is explained by a suitable easily examples. First example, NH4 and O2. Ammonium nitrite are complete convert into N2 plus twice H2O. Converting NH4 NO2, ठीक है, are convert into N2 plus twice NO2. In this reaction only one NH4 NO2 molecule take part in a chemical reaction and one to means rate of reaction dc upon dt proportional to NH4 and O2 की power first. dc upon dt proportional to NH4 NO2 की power first means इसकी power कितनी है first. So order equal to 1. order equal to 1 means इस reactions का जो order है वो order कितना होगा 1 होगा. Second example, It is explained by second example. Twice HI, ठीक है, are heated, then it is complete into H2 plus a I2. Twice H2I2 formed H2 plus a I2. In this reaction, two reactant molecule take part in a reactions, and rate of reactions is depend upon the HI molecule. So dC upon dt proportional to HI का स्क्वायर, ठीक है, इज proportional to HI का स्क्वायर. So order of reactions, order of this reaction is 2. Order of this reactions is 2. Third example, Fe twice FeCl3 plus SnCl2 are converted into twice FeCl2 plus SnCl4. In this reaction, total 3 molecules take part in a reaction. So total 3 molecule rate of reactions is depend upon the FeCl3 molecule and also SnCl2 molecule. Means dC upon dt proportional to FeCl3 की पावर 2 and SnCl2 की पावर 1. So order of reactions, order, ठीक है, order equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3, ठीक है. So 3 order, this reaction have 3 order. The order of this reaction is 2, the order of this reaction is 1. Means the power of the sum of power of concentration terms, किसी भी, ठीक है, रिएक्शंस है, उस रिएक्शंस में उसकी जो कंसंट्रेशन है, उसे कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स है, उसका जो पावर है, इन पावर का जो सम है, उस सम को हम क्या कहेंगे, ऑर्डर ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन. ऑर्डर ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन इज नॉट ए थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू, इट इज ए एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू, बिकॉज order of a reactions is a only experimental value, it is not a theoretical value, because rate of reaction is depend upon the concentration of reactant molecule. Rate of reaction is depend upon the concentration of the reactant molecule, so it is a only experimentally value. Order of reactions, order of reaction is a natural number, also natural and fractional number, ठीक है, both are natural number and fractional number. Order of reaction can be 0, order of reaction can be 0, ठीक है. Now we explain next example. Next topic, difference. Difference between molecularity and order of reaction, It is an important topic according to RBSc and CBSE board. It is a important topic according to RBSc and CBSE board. 2 numbers questions are asked in RBSc and CBSE board. What is molecularity and what is order of reactions. दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है, व्हाट्स दिस डिफरेंस बिटवीन मोलिकुलरिटी एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शंस. अभी हमने स्टडी की थी कि मोलिकुलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन इज ए ओनली थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू, मोलिकुलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन इज ए थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू, इट इज ए थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू, it is a theoretical value, and order of reaction is experimental value, it is a experimental. Order of reaction is a theoretical value and molecularity is a theoretical value and order of reaction is a experimental value. It is a theoretical value and order of reaction is a experiment value. Order of reactions. Order of a reaction. Molecularity of reactions have a natural number. It have natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, molecularity of reactions have natural number and order of reaction it have natural and fractional number both. ठीक है, order of reactions have natural and fractional number, दोनों नंबर रखिए like 0 1/2 1 3/2 2 4 5/2 3. Order of reaction have natural and fraction both number and molecularity of reaction only have natural number. Next point, the molecularity cannot be zero. The molecularity of reaction cannot be zero. Molecularity of reaction cannot be zero. किसी भी रिएक्शन से उसकी मोलिकुलरिटी कभी भी जीरो नहीं होती. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन बी जीरो. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन बी जीरो. order of reaction can be zero. Molecularity of reaction cannot be zero and order of reaction can be zero. Next point, molecularity of reactions applicable for only elementary reaction. It is applicable. It is applicable only for elementary reaction. Molecularity of reaction only for applicable elementary reaction and order of reaction is applicable oral reaction. It is applicable oral reaction over all reactions. ठीक है, molecularity of reactions is only applicable elementary reactions, but order of reaction is applicable oral reaction. Molecularity of reaction cannot be explain the mechanism of reactions. It cannot explain mechanism of reaction. It can be explained. Order of reaction can be explained mechanism of reaction. Mechanism of a reaction means 5 difference are between molecularity and order of reactions. Molecularity is a theoretical value, means it is a theoretical value, and order of reaction is a experimental value. Molecularity is only natural number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and molecularity order of reaction have fractional number and natural number, both are like 0 1 2 1 3/2 2 5/2 3. ठीक है, molecularity of reaction cannot be zero and order of reaction can be zero. it is applicable. Molecularity of a reaction only applicable for elementary reaction. It is applicable oral reaction. It is applicable oral reactions. It cannot be explained molecularity of reactions. It cannot be explained molecularity of reactions, and it can be explained the, okay, it can be explained mechanism of reaction. It cannot be explained mechanism of reaction. It can be explained the mechanism of reactions. Means total 5 difference between molecularity and order of reactions. In next day class we read the order of reactions, like first order reactions and second order reactions, and explain, okay, first order and second order reactions and differentiation, okay, formula of first order and zero order reactions, differentiation formula and first order and zero order, and integrated formula of first order and zero order. Thank you. Watch my YouTube channel Chemistry by Mahesh Kumar, and please subscribe the channel for new coming videos of mine. Thank you.